Welcome to a full overview of ORF Fusion. If you're considering this tool for your email and data management needs, you're in the right place. ORF Fusion offers a range of features tailored for digital marketers, small businesses, and large teams looking to streamline email marketing. Let's dive into what it brings to the table. Point 1 of ORF Fusion's standout features is its data-driven approach to email management. From subscriber segmentation to detailed analytics on each email campaign, this platform offers insights that make it easier to understand your audience and improve engagement. With ORF Fusion, you can build targeted campaigns, track metrics, and optimize based on real-time data. It integrates well with various CRM systems, allowing for smooth data flow between different marketing tools. Another benefit? ORF Fusion provides automated reporting, meaning you can save time while staying on top of your campaign's performance. However, like any tool, ORF Fusion has its drawbacks. Some users might find the interface a bit complex at first, and the setup process for advanced analytics can take time to configure correctly. For smaller teams, the learning curve may be steeper, especially if email marketing is new to you. Additionally, ORF Fusion's pricing isn't the lowest on the market. While it offers a variety of plans, it's something to consider if you're on a tight budget. Now, let's talk about costs. ORF Fusion offers tiered pricing to accommodate different user levels, from basic packages ideal for individual marketers to advanced options for large organizations. While the platform isn't free, the flexibility in pricing plans means you can select the level of service that fits your budget and business needs. In addition to ORF Fusion, if you're searching for a highly effective email management tool, consider Clean Email. Clean Email is another excellent choice for organizing and decluttering your inbox, with easy-to-use features that save you time. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Clean Email. It's a must-have for anyone serious about managing email efficiently. Overall, ORF Fusion provides a comprehensive toolset for serious email marketers and data-driven professionals. Whether you're a small business or a larger organization, this platform's depth can elevate your email strategy. If you're interested in a professional-grade tool for your email campaigns, ORF Fusion is worth a closer look. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful overviews on tools that can boost your digital strategy.